It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Oh, one day when the war is won, we will be sure, we will be sure. Oh,
Are you having touch?
oh.
Start again, not through love, but through revenge.
This will be a revolution of inquiring first, of not worrying about them or anyone's approval, of not wishing it was someone else but perfectly content who you are. Something unique, real, and first. I want to start a revolution at home.
What do you mean? When you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no, what do you mean? When you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go, what do you mean?
but the chains only bring me hello.
Down, 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 kick it down, 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 kick it 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 down, 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 kick it.
I need your love and your lies. It doesn't matter if you were hiding inside all your needs. I will find you tonight and take you closer. You're all the one for me.
Kick it down.
I remember the first time when I saw you. Keep on
And the father's talk is crazy, and you don't know what I mean. Does it really matter? Oh, just as long as I believe, I will love again. Though my heart is breaking, I will love again, stronger than before. I will love again, even if it takes a lifetime to get over you. Heaven only knows. People never tell you the way they truly feel. I would die for you gladly if I knew it was for real. So if all the talks are crazy and the words don't come out right, does it really matter? If it gets me through this night, I will love again. Though my heart is breaking, I will love again, stronger than before. I will love again, even if it takes a lifetime to get over you. Heaven only knows. If I'm true to myself, nobody else can take the place of you. But I've got to move on. Tell me what else can I do? I will love again. And though my heart is breaking, I will love again, stronger than before. I will love again, even if it takes a lifetime to get over you. Heaven only knows. It's your boy Eugene right here. DJ Antoine on the track. Yes. He's doing it big, y'all. Here we go. We're gonna rock it. We're gonna rock it. It's time for a house party. Hell yeah. Let's go. Parents out of town, you know it's going down. Mix me that jacket coke and watch me drinking now. We going hard, no doubt about it, y'all. So many shots, I can't even count them all. Freaks only, welcome to my zone. And bring your friends, baby, leave your man at home. No rules there, celebrate with me. Take it all the way, now everybody singing. House party, we can get it on in the house party. Bring your friends along and let's get down, shawty. Do it all alone in the house party. Yeah, you my naughty hottie. House party. We can get it on in the house party. Bring your friends along and let's get down, shawty. Do it all alone in the house party. Yeah, you my naughty hottie. Bikini girls, sipping on Caipirinha. I'm so drunk, jumping around like a ninja. Spot my neighbor, she got on a black top, and a dog say she got it from the sex shop. Girls everywhere, shaking that booty. The ladies chilling with us in the jacuzzi, touching everything, baby Miss Goozy. Take it to my room and let you do me at the house party, yeah. You ready? We gonna do it real big. Take it up, get the dance floor. House party. We can get it on in the house party. Bring your friends along and let's get down, shawty. Do it all alone in the house party. Yeah, you my naughty hottie. This party's going out of control. We running out of drinks and need some more. We in the house with those American honeys. We popping bottles with those Playboy bunnies. Knock, knock, the cops at the door.
can I do? What can I say? Because of you will make my day. I hear your whisper calling me. I hope your eyes will make me see. I hear the sound of getting near. From me to you, so have no fear. Every day I see you, want to hold you. Every time I hear you, then I told you. Every day I touch you, I feel hazy. Every time I taste you, I go crazy. Every day I see you, want to hold you. Every time I hear you, then I told you. Every day I touch you, I feel hazy. Every time I taste you, I go crazy. Every day I do. What can I do? What can I say? Because of you will make my day. What can I do? What can I say? Because of you will make my day. I hear your whisper calling me. I hope your eyes will make me see. I hear the sound of getting near. From me to you, so have no fear. Every day I see you, want to hold you. Every time I hear you, then I told you. Every day I touch you, I feel hazy. Every time I taste you, I go crazy. Every day I do. Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights. You got me alone. You found me. You found me. You found me. I guess you didn't care, and I guess I liked that. And when I felt hard, you took a step back. Without me, without me, without me. And he's long gone when he's next to me. And I realize the blame is on me. 'Cause I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now, blew me to places I've never been. So you put me down, oh, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now, blew me to places I've never been. Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Trouble, trouble, trouble. No apologies, he'll never see you cry. Pretends he doesn't know that he's the reason why you're drowning, you're drowning, you're drowning. And I heard you moved on from whispers on the street. A new notch in your belt is all I'll ever be. And now I see, now I see, now I see. He was long gone when he met me. And I realized the joke is on me. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. Shame on me now, blew me to places I've never been. So you put me down, oh, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now, blew me to places I've never been. Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Trouble, trouble, trouble. When the saddest fear comes creeping in, that you never loved me, or her, or anyone, or anything. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now, blew me to places I've never been. So you put me down, oh, I knew you were trouble when you walked in.
Marina. It goes